And I also asked him about what he thought of my answer during the Q&A.
And he said?
He said that when you spark the comments of lefties, then you know you did something right.
And this had something to do with the US bases. Okay.
That's what we talked about basically.
Oh, okay.
So,
Alright.
and then also sabi niya sa akin that I heard that you showed some interest in running for politics. I think you should rethink it about 5 times. Sabi niya, pag-isipan ko doon ng mga 5 beses pa. So, ganun lang naman, very light conversation. I mean, I wished him, I always thought that he was a good leader with good governance. I mean, I told him that. And then that I congratulated him for a successful term. And he congratulated me in the Miss Universe.